Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I am starting to make jewelry again. Beaded jewelry is going to be my focus, and I'm going to show you my beaded jewelry haul from Michaels. So I ordered this from Michaels and I'm going to show you what I ordered. My cat really wants to be in this, so if you see a cat, that's why. Let me get this side. Just turn it around. You can see there's the Michaels logo on the side of the box right here. Michaels. So what did I get? Oh, my thing broke. So I did end up buying 3 of these, 3 different colors of the good thread. This is the black, and I figured I'd use this for darker beads. It comes with 500 meters or 547 yards. It's 100% bonded nylon, so it's supposed to be really good thread for beading. I also got the white 100% nylon bonded thread, also 500 meters or 547 yards from the good thread, and I'm planning on using this with the 11O seed beads, and I'll use this on the lighter colored beads. And finally, I got the 100% bonded nylon good thread, 500 meters, 547 yards in the like light gray color. So it's a little bit, it should say where the color is on there, huh? It's from John Bead, and it's slightly darker than the white thread. So I'll use that for other colors. I'm guessing that this came with the broken handle bead set here. So luckily it's just the handle that's broken, and it looks like all the beads are intact. So it's a beading kit, and it comes with a bunch of stuff, so we're gonna dig into that in just a second. But first, I got this other beading set. These are all 11O seed beads, glass seed beads. So I got a bunch of different colors. It's 24 flip top containers, and each of them holds 0.42 ounce of, oh, these are the 12O glass seed beads. Looks like there might be a little crack in that. So that's interesting. I didn't know they each had their own little separate containers inside there. So you can see all the different variety colors, pinks and reds and oranges and golds and yellows and greens, into blues and purples, and then like off-whites, and all the way to like a shimmery, metallic shimmery black, and then the regular glass black. So that's really awesome. So I plan to use those and some with some of the threads that I got as well. And finally, I got this set. It's got a cool little button thing on it to keep it all closed. So we'll move this box out of the way because we don't need that anymore. I'm kind of disappointed that my little handle broke. I do have another one of these. So you can see we've got the pinks, oranges, and yellows. We've got the golds and bronze. We've got the blues and greens, purples and red, and then the whites, silvers, and black. So nice variety. And I do believe these are the 11O seed beads. That's what I was going for, but it's just 1,000 grams of seed beads is what it says. So it does have this, says what all's in there on the first page. Then it's talking about some styles of some things that you can make, how to do knots, different things in there. But it does have some interesting stuff on the inside as well. So let's, oh, well, I guess we've got tape. Let's see if I can get the tape off of here. Very difficult tape. There's one little piece on each side. If I don't get it all, I'll just pull that rest of that off later. But on the inside here, you can see, has this little tray in the top that comes with crimp beads and then different colors of glass beads. So there's that. Get rid of this tape. And then inside you've got a bead scoop, so that's handy for scooping your seed beads. This is to thread a needle, so it helps you put your thread through a needle. And then we've got our little round nose pliers, which I didn't need more, but I thought this kit was really cool. So we've got round nose pliers. They've got snips right here and a flat part there, and then the crimper there. So it's a multi-tool. And then we have, ouch, something in there is very sharp. Oh, it did come with some needles. I didn't know. It came with 2, 4, 6 needles of different lengths. So there's 2 of each length there. And then it came with some wire. Here, it doesn't look like there's very much wire. And some thread. So we do have a little bit extra thread, a little small bobbin of thread that we can use. But the reason that I got it was these. So I'm just going to put all this back in there. Oh, I wonder if my other separate thread will fit in here. Maybe when they're open, yeah, those will also fit in there. So that's a really good storage container too. Good to know. So I'm going to put that back in there. I'm going to put this lid back on top. And then this handle is broken, but you have to tape that down. It's not very sturdy, and since my handle doesn't work, I don't really have another option for picking it up. So I do want to show you one more thing about this container. These beads that are on the side, so you can take each one of these off individually. So you just push from the bottom, and then you have your little individual, and each one of them comes open. It's just 2 little snap clips here. They're really full, so I just dropped some beads, so that's not what I wanted to do, because I do have cats and I don't want them to eat beads. But each one of these individual containers comes off, so I'll be cleaning up seed beads, it looks like, for a little while today. But then to put them back on, all you have to do, you have to put this in first because it's got the pegs here. So you put that in first, and then it just snaps back into place. And all 5 of these little individual bead containers will come off like that. So I don't know if you want to comment your favorite color or favorite bead that was in this pack, but do so in the comments if you have a favorite color of seed bead that I've showed you today, and what you would make first. Would you make earrings, a necklace, or a bracelet first with this set or with this set? So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more jewelry tutorials, mostly doing beaded jewelry and bead haul.